Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting project, color sensing using Python and OpenCV with our Quarky robot. We'll detect colors in real time and make the robot react accordingly. Let's get started. Introduction to color sensing. Color sensing is widely used in robotics for sorting objects, tracking movements, and even industrial automation. We'll use OpenCV to detect colors and Quarky to interact based on the detected color. Components and setup. For this project, we need a Quarky robot, a webcam or the Quarky camera, a computer with Python installed, OpenCV and NumPy libraries. First, install the required libraries using pip install OpenCV Python NumPy. Writing the Python code. First, import the necessary libraries. Import CV2, import NumPy as NP. Next, capture video from the webcam. Testing with Quarky. Now, let's test it with different colors and make Quarky react. Show live demo of the robot responding to colors. That's how you can use OpenCV and Python for color sensing with Quarky. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more robotics content.